This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by mounting the camera on the quick release plate and securing it. This gives you a stable reference point. Once done, place the plate on the gimbal and slide the camera until it visually sits over the center of gravity. Small 1/2 cm moves matter. Make sure to power off the motors while you fine-tune balance because the hardware must be free to settle. This reduces motor strain and improves runtime and sets you up for firmware calibration and smooth operation next. Now focus on balancing each axis. Tilt, roll, then pan. You adjust tiny increments 0, 1 to 1 mm until each axis stays put when nudged. Once an axis holds at 90 degrees without sag, lock its position lightly and move to the next one. Then power on the gimbal and run the electronic auto-tune or calibration routine. This aligns motor output to your setup. Make sure to select the correct camera profile and lens settings so follow focus and smoothing behave predictably. Finish by configuring your follow modes, responsiveness, and deadband so movements match your shooting style. Test with both slow pans and quick tilts. Make sure battery is fully charged and firmware is current because power and software affect stability. If you see drift or jitter, stop and rebalance mechanically, then rerun calibration. Reduce motor power only if overheating or noise appears. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, swap the camera plate position by 1 notch and repeat balance and calibration. That often cures subtle shifts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.